If-else statements. If-else statements. It's really important to know if-else statements. If a statement is an expression that let you test conditions and to return either true or false. When if a statement returns true, it will execute the statement that you want it to execute. But if it's returned false, it will not going to execute the statement that you put. Let's see how. First we go to brackets. And now let's create a variable called var as an example, and I will assign it with 10. Okay, I will use if statement to know if var is equal 10 or not. As you can see here, I wrote if var equal 10 colon. So this equal operator returns true if the values on the left and right side of the operator match, and returns false if they don't match. Then print a string such as var equals 10. This print line is a statement because it came after if. Now I will use else. When you write else, please do not put indent because else is not inside the if. So write else colon. Else here will execute when the if expression is not true. After that, print another string such as var is not equal 10. Try that on terminal. Cool. As you can see here, if expression is true and it's printed out var is equal 10. But if we change var and put any number as example, else expression will execute. Try that on terminal and see. Nice, because if a statement is false, so the else statement works and says var is not equal 10. That's it for now. Thank you very much.